What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencian. Welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. We receive a request to react to the performance of JM De La Serna, Kimo, Raven, and Christian sa It's Showtime kasi sobrang ganda daw nito, guys. Kaya naman, excited tayo, especially dito si JM. JM is one of my favorite from JMiel. Kaya naman, hindi natin palalagpasin to. And thank you so much for requesting this performance. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh, listen. Oh, Christian is here. Wow. Love that smooth. Ito si Raven, magaling din to. Giving his own style. Of course, Philippine Idol Kimo. Kakayanin ba, Kimo? Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God, grabe ang atake nila, guys. High vocal kung high vocal. They're giving their own style. Grabe yun. Ooh. Oh my God, Christian. Oh my God, balikan nga natin, guys. Grabe. Galing din ni JM dun. Let's do this. Diba head tone yun, no? I didn't know that Christian can do that. Wow! Grabe yung dynamics and vocal control. Medyo sagad yung head tone ni Christian but still soothing to the ears. Wow! Raven making it easy. Oh, love that style. Ooh. Wow. There was someone here inside, someone I thought I had died a long ago. Oh my God, I love how they're giving their own vocal technique on how they will sing the song. Grabe yun, oh. And of course, it's a male version, guys, but in a female key, as in original key yung gamit nila. Galing ng switching ni Christian doon. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Grabe. Iba yung atake nila dito, guys. As in, parang after nito, mamalatin sila. Uminom sila ng mga oxygen for today's video. Let's go back to that a bit. Grabe. Go, JM! Effortless. Grabe, nahasa na si JM singing in Your Face Sounds Familiar kapag nagsiswitch siya ng gender as a singer. Grabe, iba rin talaga isang JM De La Serna. my God, guys. Hindi ko kinaya. Naubusan ako ng hangin for JM De La Serna. Oh my God. Kaya pala hindi siya masyado kumakanta sa mga refrain kasi sa kanya yung high notes na yun. And he nailed it. Grabe. Oh my God. Let's go back to that a bit, of course. We will go back to that part. Grabe yun. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Go, Kimo. Kaya mo yan. Grabe, ang thin notes na yun. Wow! Oh my God, hindi rin nagpakabog. Ang Idol Philippines, balikan natin yon guys balikan natin. Hindi rin nagpakabog ang Kimo. Nakaupo lang sila dun. Grabe. Wow! Ganda ng arrangement. Oh! Wow! Oh my gosh! Amazing! There you have it, guys. That is Kimo, Raven, Christian, and JM De La Serna for Listen. Grabe. Kakaibang version na naman ng Listen ang ating napakinggan from these amazing male kapamilya singers. Grabe yun. Oh my God. Sobrang ganda. They deserve their own segment sa Showtime or maybe in ASAP, guys. 'Di ba? Meron sila dating kinanta yung sila-sila din yun but without Christian. Hindi ko alam, Man in the Mirror ata, guys. Na-reactan din natin. Yung sobrang ganda din nun. I hope that ASAP will have this segment back, no? Na sila-sila ulit and adding Christian in the roster. Grabe na ng isang Christian. And of course, Raven, Kimo, hindi rin nagpakabog. And of course, Kapitan JM De La Serna. Grabe yung part na yun, guys. Oh my God, naubusan ako ng hangin for them. Iba yung oxygen na iniinom nila for this performance. What can you say about that, guys? You can comment down below. And let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, thank you so much for requesting this. Grabe, nag-enjoy ako. Bonggang-bongga. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.